Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Have fun reading.
Teach your child to read in 100 easy lessons. Join us in the fun. Little Angel Reader.
Good morning, Max. How are you feeling today? A little bit better?
That's quotation marks.
Quotation marks, yeah. Look, Max, we're doing lesson 42, okay? You're going to say all these sounds fast. Can you do it? Quickly. Remember this new sound?
Huh.
Huh?
K.
K. This one again.
Huh.
Huh.
E.
E.
W.
L. W. Oh, we have to say them fast. L. W. All right, Max, word reading. Now you're going to read these words. This says, Max, this part says is. Is. It starts with h and says is. Can you read it?
Is.
He, Start with h. His. He is cat, right? Read this word again.
His cat.
His, yeah. Okay, Max. And this part right here says as and starts with h. Can you read this word? Has. He has a cat, right? Okay, let's turn the page. Max, let's read the words quickly and then read the story. All right, sound out this word. W. S. Was. This is how we sound out the word. Now say the word.
Was.
Was. Remember how we say this word? Was. He was tired yesterday. Yes, what word again, Max? What word? Was. Okay, word reading. Hey, the book is falling down. Read the words. Quickly, quickly. Get concentrate, honey. Get ready.
Was.
Okay, that's was. How about this word? L. E. K. S. Licks. What word?
Licks.
Licks. Somebody licks something. Okay, quickly read the next word. This one. H. E. T. S. Hits.
Hits.
Hits. Somebody hits something. Okay. This word, you know this word?
She.
She. Max, come on, just read them. Sound out and then read. The is. What word?
This.
This. Do you need a wipe? You gonna
Yes.
sneeze? You need a
Yes.
wipe? Find the word this. Where is this?
This.
This, okay. How about this word? I like this word. H. G. What word? Hug. Please give me a hug. Yay, huggy. Thank you. So where's the word hug again?
Hug.
Hug. Okay, how about this word?
G. G.
Yes, that's g. Max, read this word. Sound it out first. N. O.
D. Odd.
What word?
Odd.
No, start with n. Nod. What word?
Nod.
Nod. Nod your head. Max, can you nod your head? Yes, okay. This word. Next word. H. Him.
Him.
Him. Give him a hug. Okay, quickly. Next one. The next word. The. The. That's the. Remember? The. Okay.
This.
The next word. No, this is
Can.
this. And this. Can. Oh, I like this word too. K. Is.
Kiss.
One word.
Kiss.
Kiss me. Can you blow me a kiss? Blow me a kiss. Not with your wipe. With your hand like this. All right, Max. Don't be silly. So this is hug and this is kiss. Okay, how about this word? This is something you can eat.
Nut. Hot.
Nut. Okay, this word is. Hey, don't touch it with your wipe, Max. You're making it wet. He. How about this word?
That.
That. Well done. How about this one?
Did.
Did. Well done. And this one is?
Lick.
Lick or kick? Kick. Ooh, kick. Kick with your foot. Yeah, kick the ball. This is yeah. Max, take a look.
Well, this will cut with this.
Take a good look at each sound here. Say it slowly if you can. Don't get fooled. Can you say this sound slowly? Try. Hey, don't. Shh. Okay. This one? K is always fast. Another k. Okay. And this one is? W. Okay. This one? And? Oh. Well done. I think we got to the story. Okay, Max, are you ready? Here is the story. Can you see the story?
That's is.
You see is already. Okay, where's the first
That's-
one? Okay, Max, are you ready? What did you notice?
Yeah.
You noticed a question mark. Please don't touch the book. It might fall down.
Look.
Was.
What?
Was.
Not.
Not. Okay, how about the story?
Huh? A.
That or he? Which word are you reading? He. Okay, let's get to the story, Max. Sound out the first word.
She
She
can
can
l-
cook. Kick.
kick.
What can she do?
Kick.
She can kick. Okay. Keep reading.
She
She
can
can
lick.
lick. So we know two things about that she.
You didn't say this word because it's small.
You mean the sound? Yeah. So what do we know about this person?
Mama, this cook.
We know that she can kick and she can do what, Max? Read this word. Lick.
Lick.
Okay. Keep reading. She
Said
said. Okay, let's read what she
I
said.
am
I am
not
not
a
a cat. What word?
I am not a cat.
Yes. So what did she say?
I am not a cat.
Okay. All right. Keep reading. Wait, don't skip. She said. Oh, she said something else. Let's read what she said.
Here.
No, what? Quotation marks. See? She said, quotation marks. Read what she said. Read her words.
I
I
am
am
not
not
a fish.
fish. Okay. Wait, Max. Is she a cat?
No.
No. Is she a fish?
No.
No. Okay, read this question. See, there's a question mark. Read this.
Is
Is.
she
Mm-hmm.
a
Mm-hmm.
man?
So ask the question.
A man.
Is she a man? Max, what do you think she is? What do you think she is? What is it? Who will we see in the picture? Max, what do you think? This person can kick and this person can lick. She's not a cat and she says, I'm not a fish. Is she a man? What do you think? Do you want to see the picture? Let's see the picture. Oh, Max, is she a cat? No. Is she a fish?
No.
No. Is she a man?
No.
No, it's an animal. Can she kick?
No.
The cow can kick.
Yes.
Yeah. Can she lick?
Yes.
Yes, she has a big tongue. Look. Look at her big tongue. See? Right. What is she? It's a... Max, what is she?
Cow.
It's a cow. All right. How about you read to the first period? Find the first period and read to that period and stop. Can you read the story again? The first part of the story? All right. Can you read the first sentence to the first period?
She can kick. She
Oh, this is the
can
first period. This is the second period. Okay, these sentences are short. All right, Max. She can kick, she can lick. Go on. She
She said,
said.
I am not a cat. She said, I am
Not?
not a fish.
Mm-hmm. Is.
She a man?
Well done. You ask a question. Is she a man? So who is she? We know who she is now.
Man.
She's a cow. She's an animal, right, Max? Okay, Max is sitting in the helicopter again today. Max, who did we feed in the morning? Who did we feed?
Chris.
Chris, the cat. Can you find the word cat again? Cat. Mm-hmm. All right. You ready to go play?
There.
Chris lives right there, yeah. I can hear dogs bark.
For Chris?
No, Chris is at home. Chris is our friend's cat, right? Cat. Max, can you shake the helicopter?
What is it?
What is it? It's a helicopter. Huh, helicopter. Helicopter swing. She. She's a cow. She said, what did she say? Wow. That's from a different story, right? Wow. Hey, Chris, come here. There's your fishy. Come here, Chris. It's okay, Max. Hey, Chris. Here, can I have this? Here, can you catch the fish? Ta-da! Chris, here's your fishy. Here, come and get it. Yay! Catch it. Catch, Chris, catch. Can you catch? Can you catch? No? Max, maybe he wants you. Say, come and get it, Chris. Bless you. Bless you. Say, Chris, where are you?
Chris, where are
Come
you?
closer. Come closer. He's afraid. He's afraid. Max,
Oh,
look, he's coming. He's coming. Hey, come here. Hey, Chris. Show me how you can crawl. Will you show me? Catch the fish. Max, where was the fish? Right here? Okay. This is where Chris lives. Right there. Right, Max? Okay, leave it. Leave it right there.
But
Okay, Chris.
where
Come here,
is
Chris.
What's
Whoa. Whoa. Look at what he can do. Look what he can do. Whoa. Did you hear him go meow, meow?
Dad? He's there?
Yeah, he was there, climbing up there.
Thank you for learning with us today. Don't miss our next lessons. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Little angel reader.